Where are you at? Where is he?
He's down there.
Man, he's... Oh, there he is, yeah. I can't see on my viewfinder, but... He's fighting you. It's like the fish are talking to each other around lunchtime. Why were you late? Man, I got caught. Huh.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's good size too. Nice. Where'd you go, dude? There. Man, where'd he go? Man. There he is. There he is. Wow, he's big. Oh man. It's too bad we can't eat you. He's big. I don't think that's a carp. Oh yeah, it is. That's a fucking huge fish, babe. He's huge. That's not a carp. That is not a carp. Did you see him already? I do not believe that's a carp. That fucker's huge. He might snap your line. Wow. That's a big one, Daddy. And he's pissed. Oh yeah, he's like, I'd say 20 inches. No, yeah, maybe longer. He might be 2 feet long. He's bigger than that. Damn. Oh, you should see the look on his face. He's like, help, help, help. He's like, nigga, go ahead and catch me. I will fuck you up. Oh, you caught him good, babe. Jeez. Yep. Nice. We weren't here 5 minutes, Paul Todak. Look what you did. Woo! Are you sure we can't eat him? I think we can eat him. Huh? Why? But why? Because they're what? Oh. I don't think, no, you got him in, but I don't think yeah, you got him right in the belly. Inside the belly, see? He looks fucking tasty enough to me. Remember, you brought a whole bunch home and had them in the bathtub one day. Do you remember that? What were those? Where did you go fishing for those? Huh?
Those are catfish.
Where did you get those at?
Right here.
Is that a carp, really? Well, fuck you, carp.
Choked by the narrow mouth.
He's huge. Nice fight, Daddy. Yeah, you got him right in the side. You got him right around the liver area. So you just hurt him and then you let him go back and you don't even eat him. I'm not down.
I don't know how to get it out of there.
Well, you can't leave it like that. That's fucked up. So you're gonna have to like lower me down and hold me and I'll get it or something. I don't know
No,
how.
just hold this pole. Don't let it.
Okay, wait, let me hold on. Take this phone real quick then.
Put it in your pocket.
Okay, hold on.